Right rudder, rudder flex to the right. Left rudder, rudder flex to the left. Right controls are free. Sorry.
So bakit nga ba tayo nagpe-perform ng engine run-up checklist sa isang Cessna 172 mic? Hello, my name is Echo and I'm going to do a solo navigation flight to Vegan while I build my commercial pilot license. So a little context lang about the video. Bago magsimula ang solo navigation ng isang student, magkakaroon ng tinatawag na cross-check between the student and the flight instructor. So, ang ginagawa namin dyan is part ng cross-check to ensure na yung student is ready for that flight sa kanyang solo navigation. So, for this cross-check, ay magpe-perform ako ng one touch and go and one go around. Then after nun, it depends upon the FI or the flight instructor to decide whether to let me release for my solo navigation or hindi. So, fast forward sa aking takeoff. Guys, di ko sadya yung pagkaharang ng ano na yan nung sun visor na yan Bigla na lang bumabay. May sira kasi yan yung sa aeroplano. Baka isipin niyo ako nagbabay.
17, holding brakes. Please set the valves on both, make sure you switch on the decimal sum unit left. Let's go, and screw. Passing full.
Refinery hold short south taxiway.
Short south after. I'll be passing the tower. At 22. Please set the valves on, make sure you switch left hand up at screw, and screw. Please make sure to the forward maintaining control line. Let's be the love. 40. 50. Control line. At 1. Upwards. Radio for the ticket center and 1 will advise left base.
6 and left down eh.
Left downwind for the ticket center. Pilit pa lang mamaya. Mamaya wala na. Watching area threshold, weather light. Waiting for sync. Thinking. Hand out. Hand out. Hand out. Hand out. Tracting. Passer 1, passer 2, passer 3, and line.
Outside mo pa.
Sir?
Hold mo yung nose pagka-touchdown
Copy, sir.
Slowly lang yung, ayaw mo lang buwa pa yung nose, okay?
Copy, sir. Iputaw mo sila.
Na.
Okay, searching threshold. Glide, end of runway. Waiting for sync. Thinking, hand up. Thinking, hand up. Thinking, hand up. Thinking,
Very good.
hand up. Tracking. Passer 1, passer 2, passer 3.
Pag ano, after landing ha?
Sige.
Okay, sige. Copy.
Final landed.
So instead of one touch and go and one go around, naging two touch and goes na lang. And after nun, pinag-proceed na ako sa ramp and na-resist na ako for my solo navigation to Vegan.
I-send mo sa akin ha? Okay?
Copy, sir. Copy.
Pag wala, pag hindi, okay na yan ha?
Sige, sir. Radio 769 ready for departure runway 01.
6 departure 0 na may takeoff.
Straight up departure runway 01, may takeoff RPC 766 Okay. Takeoff check, power 17. Holding brakes. Adjustments on range check. Left, front, up, right, square, runway square check. Using brake system for full power. Okay, center line check. Airspeed alive check. 40. Stop. 50. Stop. Listen up. Muscle up. Up brakes. Radio 765, airborne, call back, Fabat out.
After takeoff and habang cruising, wala na ibang ginawa ko hindi ayun, kung anong ginagawa habang nasa lipad. Continuous monitoring ng area, ng traffic, continuous reporting, hanggang sa makarating ng Vegan. Actually, sa totoo lang, very boring lang talaga dito kasi wala kang kausap, walang nagagalit sa'yo, wala yun, wala na ginagawa ko. So, fast forward sa Vegan.
Power idle, line up the power. Check, alignment good. Good to marking. Ready for brakes, check.
Radio 185 runner at the downwind, passing 1,600. Report on that side. Okay.
Okay, approaching 02, ready to glide. Waiting for sync and the front wing, sinking. Out, sinking. Underline, sinking. Hold, sinking. Down up. Okay, suave. Pressure.
So after that successful landing ay nag-vacate tayo ng runway, then nag-request tayo to park south side of the ramp, and ayun, mag-enjoy muna ako, pahinga muna saglit before returning back to San Fernando. Ayan, muna tubig, picture, then ayun, ayoko talaga bumaba dyan kasi ayoko mag-restart ng engine all over again. Gagawin ko na lahat ng process, kaya ayun, bubalik na lang ulit ako agad.
Beacon Radius 766 runner, ready for request taxi shocks, proceed back San Fernando.
Beacon 669, Old Church South Taxiway.
Old Church South Taxiway, 766 runner. Okay. Beacon Radius 766 runner entered the active and will advise when ready for departure.
Roger.
Beacon Radius 766 runner, ready for departure on way 02.
Beacon 669, may take off 02, wind from north up and left.
May take off 02, 766 runner. Okay. Close up ground on route, should stretch and on green stop, left front upwards clear, runway is clear. Facing brake, shields on the floor, and return center line. Let's speed alive. Let's see.
And we can radio confirm for the 77 park outside of the runway and the alternating house.
After takeoff, I made a left downwind departure on runway 02 and proceed back San Fernando. Ayan. Okay, for this next video clip na ipapakita ko sa inyo ay nanghingi ako ng pyreps sa aking kasama na nagsusolo nav din. Ayan, shoutout sa iyo, paring Jill. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, pabalik na kami. Ako yata ay nasa west of Santa Maria. Then, ang aking kasama ay nasa west of Tagudin. Then, let's see kung paano siya mag-pyreps, guys.
185 this is 766
169er, 185 go ahead.
185 request fire ups over your location, sir.
Arabs over west of Tagudin, cloud base approximately 1,500, visibility 8 kilometers. Air quality is good, sir.
Roger. Thank you, 766 safe flight.
Safe flight, 766.
Medyo natatawa lang ako sa part na to, guys. Kasi ngayon lang nakarinig ng pyreps na merong air quality na good. Grabe naman instrument yan. Then, nagpasalamat rin tayo sa ating parents, sa ating family for giving us the opportunity to fly solo. Pero hindi siya masyado clear sa video, kaya sinabi ko na lang siya through voiceover. Ayan.
What's up, guys? We would like to thank my family for this opportunity for letting me fly solo. Without you, di ang maaaring sa gatlong point, guys. It sounds crazy, but love you guys. It's all for you, Mama and Papa. And love you. Love you.
Then after nun, nakarating na tayo sa San Fernando, active runway 01. And ayun, tignan nyo na lang yung landing, guys. Heads up, guys, hindi ko gusto yung landing ko dito. Kaya panoorin nyo na lang.
Okay. Approaching. Final. Rolling out. Hindi mo tagtag. Pero okay lang. Approaching 01. 65 check. Let's glide. Thinking. On that. Holding. On that. Okay.
So kung napapansin nyo ay medyo nag-float siya ng onte. So parang nag-tap, then float, then tap ulit sa ground. Ayun lang. Okay, then after nag-vacate tayo, deactive, tapos nag-taxi tayo pabalik sa ating parking ramp, and we performed the securing the aircraft checklists. And ayun lang, guys, aking mapakita for today's solo navigation to vegan. Thank you all guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Yun lang, bye bye. Wow.